This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker on Facebook and YouTube, and HeyGardenGuy.com on our website, where you can ask questions and we in turn will answer them, and we'll all raise our garden IQ one question at a time. Going through some questions that we've had from these past, we've been on the Facebook now for going on 2 months, and we ask you to like us. We have short videos, but we want to have videos that are really educational and just give you a little snippet of how to do something in your landscaping just a little bit better. Okay, we did straw bale gardening, and some people really latched onto this, and they had a question. Hey Charlie, will 40-0-0, which is urea, that's a fertilizer, condition straw bales for straw bale gardening? Well, you can go one of two ways. You can go synthetic fertilizer, which is what urea is. It's basically man-made as opposed to organic. I use mill organite because it is organic and only 622. But urea for straw bale gardening is just a little bit too high. I would go more towards a 15-10-10 or a 20-10-10, but know that when you put the 40 down, it's not really going to condition or compost those bales over that 12-day period that we really want. So my answer to I am a wildcat, that's their tag, the answer to that is don't use urea for conditioning straw bales. Now, we're going to change the pace and show you one of my favorite plants. We've used this for a number of years, and it's not that old. This is called an Abelia kaleidoscope. And the neat thing about it is it basically keeps this color, this orangish yellow color, through the entire year. 12 months out of the year, gets a little more red and orange as you get into the fall. It blooms a pink bloom in the springtime and kind of old for about 2 months, but that's incidental to the plant. The beauty of this plant is the foliage, and again, it stays small. So if you want a plant that really attracts attention, yellow is a warm color and it draws your attention in the landscape, consider an Abelia kaleidoscope. They'll get up to about 3 foot. They don't freeze out. If they do, you can trim them back to the base and they should be all right. But it's a great little plant to draw interest in a particular area of your landscape. This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, Facebook, YouTube, answering your garden questions. Have a great day.